Hello students, welcome back once again. I am Rachna Bansal, your science teacher. Today I will discuss defects of vision from chapter 11, Human Eye and Colorful World today. Students, all of you know that we have a pair of eyes which enable us to see things around us over a wide range of areas, that is from 25 centimeter to infinity. 25 centimeter is the minimum distance up to which an eye can see object distinctly without any strain, and it is called its near point. While infinity is its far point, it is the maximum distance up to which an eye can see objects clearly. But students, due to certain abnormalities, an eye is unable to see objects over a wide range of areas. Such an eye suffer from eye defects. So today we will discuss three common type of defects of vision, that is myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. Students, do you know what is myopia? Myopia is also called as nearsightedness. That means an eye can see nearby objects clearly without any strain, but it is unable to see long distant objects clearly. Image in this case is formed before the retina. And for every myopic eye, there exists a far point beyond which clear image cannot be seen. Students, do you know what are the causes of myopia? Myopia is caused due to two reasons. First, due to excessive curvature of eye lens. That means lens of the eye becomes more curved and becomes thick, due to which focal length is decreased, so it is unable to see distant objects clearly. And second reason is elongation of eyeball. It is a genetic defect due to which eyeball becomes elongated and image is formed before retina. How can this defect be corrected? Students, for correcting such a defect, an eye needs a type of lens which can diverge the light rays coming from the object. So, a diverged lens, that is concave lens, is used to correct the defect of myopia. The diverging lens diverges the light rays first, which then converged by lens present in the eye, and image is shifted to retina. In this way, a myopic eye can be corrected. Now come to the second defect, that is hypermetropia. Students, do you know what is hypermetropia? In hypermetropia, an eye is able to see far off objects clearly but is unable to see nearby objects clearly. This defect is also known as farsightedness. In this defect, image is formed beyond the retina, and for a hypometropic eye, there exists a near point. Students, do you know what are the causes of hypermetropia? Hypermetropia is also caused due to two reasons. Number one, shortening of curvature of eye lens. That means eye lens become less curved and becomes more thin and long, due to which focal length is increased and a person is unable to see nearby objects. And second reason is shortening of eyeball, due to which image is formed beyond the retina. So how can hypermetropia be corrected? For correction of this eye defect, we need a lens which can converge the light rays coming from the object before our eyes. So it is a converging lens, that is convex lens. A convex lens is used to correct hypermetropia, which converges the light rays coming from the object before the eye, then it is further converged by the eye lens so that image is shifted to retina. In this way, hypermetropia can be corrected. Students, third defect is presbyopia. Students, what do you mean by presbyopia? This is the eye defect in which old age persons are unable to read the newspaper or books clearly. They find difficulty in seeing nearby objects clearly. It is just like hypermetropia. And then it is corrected by using convex lens. But sometimes old age people are unable to see nearby objects as well as far off objects clearly. It occurs due to weakening of ciliary muscles and hardening of eye lens. Flexibility of the eye lens is decreased in this defect. So for correction of this defect, bifocal lenses are used by old age people, in which concave lens is used in the upper part to see distant objects and convex lens is used in the lower part of the spectacles to see nearby objects. So students, I think now these three defects are clear to you. Thank you.